In the previous tutorial, we have learned a strong number, neon number and Armstrong number. Today we will learn how to convert decimal to binary and binary to decimal vice versa. First, we will write the code for decimal to binary. Here we will store the remainder for the given number in array. Now come to the binary to decimal number conversion.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. There's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite. Can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the road rows of trees. I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, the fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild, 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 wild.
First we will check decimal to binary. Enter the number 91001. Now we will check binary to decimal. The number is 1001. The decimal value is 9. Okay.